How to install numpy in Python 3.13.7. First, let's install Python. How to install the latest version of Python, that is Python 3.13.7 on Windows 11. First, you need to go over to Google and search Install Python. You'll want to click on the first link that comes up from python.org, that being the one that says Download Python. On this page, you might see a yellow button to download the latest version of Python. If you do, click on it. Once it is finished downloading, I will click on it up here. This will bring up the program that will help you install Python. You will want to check Add Python.exe to Path, because that will make it easier for you to run Python code from the command line. You will also want to check Use Admin Privileges when installing py.exe. Next, click on Customize Installation. Since all the options are selected here, click the Next button. Under Advanced Options, check the Install Python 3.13 for all users. Everything else you can keep the way it is. Next, click on Install. You'll get asked for admin privileges. Click Yes on that. Now our installation will start. It will take a few minutes. Once your Python installation was successful, you can simply close this window. Now, if you open up your command prompt, in the command prompt, if you type Python space -- version, it should bring up Python 3.13.7. Next, let's check to make sure we have pip installed. So, pip -- version. You'll see it says version, so we've successfully installed pip along with Python. Finally, let's install numpy. So we will do pip install numpy. Okay, now we've successfully installed numpy in Python. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.